How to change hidden photos password in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to change your hidden photos password on iPhone, then you will have to change your iPhone's passcode entirely, as on your iPhone the hidden photos album uses the same password as of your iPhone passcode. So if you go ahead and open the Photos application on your device and tap on the hidden option you see there, then you will be asked to enter your iPhone's passcode. So in order to change that, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the Face ID and passcode option you see there. You will then be required to enter your current passcode. So go ahead and enter that and then scroll down and you will see the option for change passcode. Tap on that and you will now be required to enter your current passcode again. So enter that and then go ahead and enter your new passcode. You can also tap on the passcode options you see there and choose your passcode type, that is 4-digit numeric code or 6-digit numeric code or custom numeric code or custom alphanumeric code. Choose your preferred option and then go ahead and enter your new passcode and then confirm your new passcode, and with this, your passcode will be changed. You can now go ahead and open Photos application again and then tap on the hidden option, and with this, you will now be required to enter your new passcode. So this is how you can change passcode on hidden photos in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.